TGIF, it is
Yes.
Friday and it is raining out there.
It
You
is.
called it.
We have been seeing showers in the metro area and across much of the state this morning. The northern mountains getting a lot of rain too. The temperatures you'll notice when you head out the door, not too chilly at all, even up in the mountains, many of you at the base.
So no
starting
snow
off.
for them.
Not as much. You have to get really high up. This is Angel Fire. This is a look at the peak up that way, which is at about a little bit above 10,000 feet, and so we could be seeing a little bit of snow up that way. It's kind of tough to tell with the camera here. Temperatures really close. It'd be a wet snow.
Gotcha.
As we go through the day, we're going to see that snow line stay at right about 10,000 feet for a lot of the day, just because of the milder conditions with this system, the milder air with it. So that's where it'll be for at least the first half of the day. We will start to see some cooler air move in later today as it kind of gets wrapped in from the backside of that storm system, and that will help lower the snow line, especially as we go toward the evening hours, and we could see it get all the way down to 8,000 feet. But for most of the day, and when we see most of the precip, it's just going to be the higher peaks that really get the snow. Everyone else just seeing that rain. So looking like we're trying to get a little bit of snow at the resort levels up at the peaks of the mountains there. Albuquerque, we've been getting the rain. We saw some showers move through earlier, and they did bring in more wet roads for us. We already had showers ongoing overnight last night, and now we're clearing things out, but more stuff developing back to our west that we'll have to watch for. Edgewood's starting to get a little bit of light rain now too. You see the showers coming out of Grants. As this heads eastward, that could bring us another round of showers later on this morning. Northern mountains, of course, continuing to be very wet, especially the Jemez Mountains. These showers heading east into the Sangre de Cristo Mountains to bring in more scattered showers as we go through the rest of this morning. And then, of course, a lot of activity moving towards eastern New Mexico along I-40. You get over toward Fort Sumner and storms closing in there, moving to the north. Very heavy rain, gusty winds, too, associated with that. So definitely be careful if we're going to be doing any driving. Sacramento Mountains, wet for a lot of the day. We're starting to see some of the precip there, the rain starting to fizzle out a little bit, but more showers developing down toward Alamogordo. And then Roswell getting a little bit more light rain moving your way. Carlsbad seeing some showers moving your way too, but mainly in the form of just the very light rain. Here's an overall wider view picture of what's happening, and there's a storm system that's crossing through New Mexico right now. Most of this activity just ahead of that system here. So this is the warm side of the system. This is why we're seeing the milder weather, but as it continues to move on to the east, we'll start to see some of that cooler air wrap in. Again, that'll help lower that snow line just a little bit. It'll set us up for a much cooler start tomorrow morning. With the backside of that system, we could still get a few more showers. So today will be one of those days, especially for central and western New Mexico, where we'll kind of get into a little bit of a lull with the rain, and then we could see another round of it for the evening hours. But for tonight, we're going to be clearing things out from west to east. It'll be eastern New Mexico that may wake up to a few showers for tomorrow morning. So for Albuquerque, showers on and off through the morning. We may even see a few more of those as we go into the afternoon and evening, and then tomorrow we'll be clearing on out. Tomorrow morning, waking up to a little bit of spotty light rain out east. Northern mountains, we could keep a few showers in the forecast through tomorrow, just with some of that leftover moisture. But everybody else looking at a beautiful day, just a little bit cooler than where we have been. And then Sunday looking fantastic for everybody with lots of sunshine and milder weather. Your forecast for southern Colorado, mostly cloudy throughout the day, on and off showers here and there. But that moves out tonight. We're back to partly cloudy skies tomorrow, and highs near 60 for Durango. Not too bad at all. Low still cold at night, though, down into the upper 20s and low 30s. And then next week, 40s Wednesday and Thursday, northwest New Mexico. Plenty of cloud cover today with on and off showers throughout the day. For the weekend, partly cloudy with highs in the middle and upper 60s. And then next week, it's back to the 50s. And it could be a wet Halloween for the southwest. Partly sunny skies. Just a slight chance for a few showers today. Most of the energy moving out of your area. And so this will be one of the drier spots for today. For the weekend, lots of sunshine. Just beautiful. Silver City in the low 70s. You did get a little bit of rain overnight last night, but again, we won't see very much of that as we go through the rest of the day today. Northeast, southeast New Mexico, I should say. Sun and clouds with on and off light rain. We may even get a stray storm or two going this afternoon. Tomorrow, still a little leftover moisture, so we may see a few showers mainly early in the day, and then it's back to the sunshine, and temperatures continue to climb as we go into the weekend. Northeast New Mexico, cloudy skies, scattered showers, in fact, increasing coverage of the showers as we go through the morning Afternoon, still the potential for a few thunderstorms around, and even tomorrow we may wake up on the wet side, but clearing out by tomorrow afternoon, and then more sunshine Sunday, Monday. Northern mountains, rain, and very, very high elevation snow. Temperatures topping out in the 50s for most of you, 60 in Santa Fe, and a very wet start this morning, and you could easily see more showers on and off through the day today. And then tomorrow morning, maybe even a few showers for Santa Fe. Northern mountains could see a few showers linger tomorrow as well. East mountains, highs in the low to mid 60s with scattered rain, and for the metro, upper 60s and low 70s. Mostly cloudy today. Mild temperature-wise, it will be a bit breezy at times, especially in any thunderstorms that do develop. Next week, we're back up to the 60s and 70s, but getting closer to Halloween. Next Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures start to go down. We have another storm system moving in that could bring in wind and maybe even a little bit of rain for your Halloween. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. Fingers crossed that it'll kind of dodge the trick-or-treat time.
Yeah, I say let it rain all Mother Nature wants today.
Yeah.
So that it doesn't rain on Halloween. All right.
There you go. Like it.
Thank you.